Welcome back to Zeno Page Builder. Today we are going to learn how to use the video element. The video element allows you to embed videos on the page. Here I have a video element. This video is from video and let me play it. Let's walk through the options the video element has to offer. First, we have video URL. You can use a URL from YouTube video or any video URL to show on the page. Here I have an example Vimeo video. Next, we have loop option. If you toggle this on, then the video will loop after finishing. And we have sound option, so we can toggle on and off sound for the video. And we can make the video autoplay. But please note that autoplay does not work on mobile devices or if sound option is on. So to make the video autoplay, we need first disable sound for the video. And the video now will autoplay. We then have aspect ratio option. You can change it to 4:3 or 9:16 for vertical videos. If you have the video file on your computer and you are on Shopify, then you can go to Shopify Admin, under Content, Files, upload the video to your Shopify Admin. Copy the video URL and use it inside Zeno. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on mastering Zeno Page Builder.